Did you know that we lose 8 million hectares of forests every year? That is equal to the size of a country like Panama. Nearly 55% of it is used in construction of houses and making furniture. And we produce 300 million tons of plastic a year. That is the total weight of all human beings on Earth today. We have a choice to either mercilessly deplete all our forests and dump plastic waste into oceans and landfills, or to transform the way we exploit Earth for human well-being and do our bit to save the forests and recycle our plastic waste. Hello, my name is Suhail Moideen Bawa, founder of Eagle Agro Link 14 years ago, and we are the third generation family in the wood business. We are headquartered in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates, manufacturing and supplying building materials to government and private industries. Eagle Agro has been revolutionizing the way we transform discarded wood and plastic recyclable waste into wood plastic composite, or WPC, which is a state-of-the-art and high-quality product using the concept of developing forests inside factories. With this vision, and after conducting exhaustive research, Eagle Agro diversified into the manufacture of wood plastic composites under the subsidiary company Eagle Ecotech. I am proud to introduce our registered brand, N-Wood, a wood plastic composite technology-based product which restructures wood by combining discarded wood waste with recycled low MFI grade plastics and adding non-toxic additives. The result is an awesome, completely integrated bespoke finished product which resembles wood and eliminates manual carpentry or joinery work. We are basically reinventing wood. Our products are durable, rot and crack resistant, fungal and bacteria proof, saline resistant, alkaline and acid resistant, flame resistant, variable temperature resistant, water resistant, and non-slippery. Our products are long lasting than normal wood and require zero maintenance. They are non-toxic, non-polluting, green, and are biodegradable. Our brand, N-Wood, is used in exteriors such as outdoor decking, wall cladding, siding, partitions, fencing, pergolas, cabanas, bus shelter stands, agriculture greenhouses, and virtually anything that uses wood. And that is just the tip of the iceberg. We have now scaled up into the process of developing interiors with in-house developed world-class green technology to manufacture false ceilings, partitions, wardrobes, furniture, and any bespoke requirements. According to leading market research, WPC market is worth $8.76 billion globally by 2022 and $90 million in the Middle East and Africa region alone. We are the pioneers in this region, having a major share of the market here with no matching competitor. This market is growing at a staggering 12.3%, and there is plenty of room for us to grow into a number one manufacturer and supplier of WPC products. Our customers include landmarks such as government infrastructure parks, beaches, 5-star luxury hotel brands, cafes, yachts, and marinas that dot the horizon across the Middle East and Gulf region. We want to scale up our manufacturing base and operations to meet the increased demand. To achieve this vision, we are seeking an investment of $500,000. So if you are an investor with us, we can guarantee you that we have an amazing range of products, a qualified team of professionals, an existing and surging market base, and traction in our revenues and profits. Just give us a shout and be a part of this N-Wood revolution. After all, who wouldn't? Thank you, and we look forward to a partnership.